In this Systeme.io lesson, I'm going to take you through how to set up automation rules and your order form to start selling digital products. This is one of the biggest lessons I have. There is a lot of steps here, but I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Now that you have your Stripe payments connected to Systeme.io, you're going to have the option to add your digital product and continue on with setting up your order form. Choose order form over here on the left and scroll down to choose offer type. I'm going to choose digital product. Then you're going to use the blue plus here on the right to create a new one. Name your product. If you're on a free account, you don't need to add a resource because you'll be at your limit if you try to add another tag to say customer, for example. So we're going to skip that on a free account. If you don't have a free account, I do recommend that you also tag your customers using this resources section. Go ahead and create another tag there called customer, just so you can differentiate between sending emails to your customers versus people who opt in. But like I said, if you're on a free account, ignore the resources section for now. Let's move on. Create a pricing plan. Click the plus on the right. Create a new one. And now start filling out the details about what's going to appear on your order form and on the statements for people who buy your product. Then choose what type of payment it is. Is it a one-time payment, an ongoing subscription, or a payment plan with a limit of 2 to 3 months, for example? I'm going to choose one-time payment. And it's going to be a $10 product. Hit save. Hit save again. Must hit it twice. This catches a lot of people up and the page doesn't save and they have to do that little bit again. So 2 saves on the big blue buttons. Now that your digital product is created, you'll be able to see it on your order form. So let's take a look at the page. Here's our demo order form page, and you'll see here I named it My Course and I gave it a price of $10, and that's automatically shown up on the page there. As you can see, we need to edit a few more things on this page. So let's return to Systeme.io and edit the page. Go through and add your logo, name of your product, change the price here manually. This is just text. You'll see here that I've got a box for a one-time offer order bump. This is completely optional and up to you. You can remove this whole box by clicking that little bin. Or if you'd like to use an order bump, I'll be showing you how to do that in another video. You can just edit the text and image here for now. So I've added our digital product. Now we need to add the automation that actually sends them the file when they are purchased. Jump across into the automation rules, click add rule, and you've got 2 things to fill out here. A trigger, that is going to be a new sale. If someone makes a purchase, on my funnel here, on the order form step, do this. Add the plus. And the do this is going to be send an email. So we want to send an email to someone as soon as they make a purchase. We're going to create a new email message by using that little plus there. You can give it a subject. Start typing in the body of the email. You can add the person's name automatically by using the substitute values here. First name. It will appear like these little squiggly lines with first name in it, but in the actual email they receive, it will be replaced with their actual real name that they used on the order form. So type out something that makes sense, instructions for how they access whatever they've purchased from you. Then all you need to do is highlight some text, click the link button, and paste in the link that you want them to go to for where their product is. If you're selling something from Canva, you would paste in the Canva template link here. If you're selling an ebook, you would paste in a link to how they access it on Google Drive, for example. Or if it's access to a course, you would put in the login details here. I'll show you an example on Google Drive. This is a way that I like to provide people ebooks. So you would upload your ebook into the free Google Drive, open it, go to share, choose the access. You want anyone with the link can view, and then you can copy the link. Then in my Systeme.io, I would make this click here button the link, paste in that big long link, and hit the tick. Now when someone clicks this, they can open up the file, just like that. So it's completely up to you the way that you want people to access your files. You can do Google Drive like that, or in Canva, use the share link and paste it in there. You need to put in your sender name and your sender email address in here and then click Save. Now that that's set up, you can click Save Rule. Now your order form area is completely functioning. Let's do a quick recap of what we've set up so far. We've edited our sales page, updated all the details. People click I'm ready to learn. They're asked for their name and email address to proceed. Once they enter that name and email, they'll get an email directly from you saying welcome to my list. Next, the page for the order form will be displayed. You've got your product set up here, and they'll also be able to fill out their credit card details here. Once they fill out those details and they click proceed, they'll get an email from you with the details of how they can access their product. We also have an option now to set up an upsell, which is another page after this one, offering another product to them, and it's another opportunity for you to make more money. Let's look into that now. So how did you go? Did you make it through? Feel free to pause and play back this video as many times as you need to get these steps done. I'll see you in the next video.